welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another smoothie recipe for you guys, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So today we have a kind of tropical berry smoothie. I'm really excited for this one. So we have a mixture of our berries here with our strawberry and our raspberry again. And then we have some pineapple, so good. So again, we have about a cup's worth of our frozen fruits. About a third cup of our strawberries, a third cup of our raspberries, and a third cup of our pineapple. Then we have our banana here. We have some Greek yogurt. I just have 2% normal Greek yogurt, not flavored or anything, some almond milk, and our NutriBullet as always. So, super simple, super easy. Can't wait to try this flavor combination. So, and just like always, we're just going to put everything all nice into our blender and get blending, and then we're going to try some. So, I'm going to start off with all of our frozen fruit first. Then I'm going to do our banana. These are the simplest Reese's recipes to make. I love these. You can pack so many nutrients in these and it takes no time at all, and you can just grab it and go. Super easy and simple. This time I'm kind of cleaning up as I go. So I'm going to go ahead and add in our milk now. And then this time, like I said, we're going to be adding some yogurt. So I think so far, maybe just my original strawberry banana smoothie recipe video had yogurt. I don't think any of the other ones have had yogurt so far. Let me grab a little spatula. So this is going to be about half of a cup of yogurt. So let's, anal me needs to measure it. So I'm going to just grab about half of a cup of this. You don't have to measure this out perfectly. This is just me being me. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish off this container because there's like nothing left in here. And if you ever feel like you add too much of something and it's, you know, too thick or too whatever it is with the consistency, you can always go back in and add more of your milk, or if it's too runny, you can go ahead and add some more fruit and just balance out the texture there. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and put our lid on. And we're going to get blending. Look at this color, you guys. I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this into another cup with our smoothie straw, and then we're going to come back and try some. Alright guys, how good does this look? I love the color of this one. And I can't wait to try it. So this is a little bit different. So we're going to have our, pineapple in here mixed with our strawberry and our raspberry. So I'm excited. So good, you guys. Oh, this is so good. I love the tropical little twist with our berries here. It works really well together. All these flavors work really well together. I'm surprised that I don't see more, pineapple with raspberry and things like that. This is so good, you guys. I can't wait for you guys to try this one at home. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And please share this video. It really helps me a lot. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.